All right. Well, we are super excited to share our most recent opportunity blitz. There are opportunities coming from all over the place. What an exciting market. And we've got a variety of positions we want to share today. And I think I'm up first, if I remember correctly. So um, I am working on two new positions with a client of ours, a global client, has multiple locations in the United States, and we've helped 12 people join this client since last year. They have great tenure. We are working on a general manager opportunity in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, and another one up in northern New Jersey. Both positions are open because the incumbent was promoted and moved to another area in the company. There are some exciting changes and scale up going on as well. So it's a really neat growth opportunity. And if there might be some value there, I'd love to talk to anybody that might be interested. So next up.
So I'm working with a global medical device company headquartered in New Jersey. Great growing company, about 1.3 billion in revenue. Due to their growth, we've got 4 open positions with them: a senior global product manager, wound recon, 2 global product manager, wound recon and surgical recon, and we also have a regional position for product management with them that is more of a hybrid. The rest are remote. Definitely exciting opportunity. So let me know if you're interested.
Yeah, that's a great partner client of 4 years. We've had 54 accepted offers with them, and it's a great marketing and product management team. Josh Mayo is up next with one of our exciting new relationships that's starting.
I am. I've got a senior R&D specialist position with, as you said, a new client of ours. Really cool company. It's got a lot of growth happening out in California right now. They've got a really amazing minimally invasive product to alleviate lumbar spinal stenosis. And so this role is really going to be responsible for the design and technical execution of the product development projects that they're working on right now, really from concept all the way through commercialization. So great opportunity for somebody that's got about 5 years or so of relevant experience in the med device space. And I've also got a principal R&D technician with the same client, very similar, but it's going to be more kind of lab experience from a testing and prototyping standpoint. Both of these, once again, are in California, but they can be hybrid with some autonomy.
Yep. So the senior needs to be on site 2 days a week in the LA area, and the other one needs to be, I believe, 3 days. And everything comes with stock equity. Mr. T, what do you got for us?
Thank you, Darwin. So I am leading the partnership on a strategic growth initiative for one of our clients for one of their growth plans for this year. We're working on over 15 positions across the country. We're going to be helping identify key individuals in quality, maintenance, supervisory roles. Our positions will be posted on our website, so please check them out. But very strategic growth plan here for one of our clients, and look forward to getting that underway and getting this going for these guys. So
And,
thank you.
and Tony can speak to you about the opportunities in Spanish or English, whichever you prefer. Uh,
Cualquier prefieras, sí, de los dos. Thanks.
Lastly, we've got 2 quality assurance manager positions. This is another client that we've got a great experience. We just filled a position for them in North Carolina. We've got final interviews going on that Chrissie's working on an opportunity in New Jersey. We have 2 new opportunities with them, one in Memphis for quality assurance manager, and another one that's coming in the San Diego area that'll focus on auditing, process improvements, and leading CAPAs as a part of their team and culture. If any of these opportunities could bring you value, we'd love to talk to you about your career goals and see if it might be a good fit for you. And Josh, what else should they do?
Check out our YouTube channel for the other opportunities that we have, various in the news developments that are happening in the industry right now, and skills training. And then be sure to check out our brand new website that just launched. It's on the screen below, but it's https://shurigsolutions.com.
Awesome. We hope this brought you some value. We really appreciate your time, and we hope you have a great day.